Okay, this is a two-part question. Firstly, it's about trapezium rule and then integration by substitution. So part A, complete the table. All I need to do is type some numbers into a calculator and it tells me that the answer is 1.4792. I needed to find that to 4 decimal places, so that's what I need there. Now, the area, we're going to use the values in the table. So essentially we've got these two values here, so 3 strips in total. Two ways of doing it: either you can find each individual trapezium, so this trapezium, then this trapezium, and then this trapezium, or you could find them all in one go using the formula that's probably in the formula book. And we get that the area equals a half. Now the height of each trapezium, it's 3 log 2 for the whole bit. So each what's that? 3 log 2 for the whole bit. So each one is log 2 high. And now we need to multiply that by each of the lengths in the middle twice. So this length and this length are involved in 2 trapeziums, so that's these two numbers here, and then the two on the edge are only involved in 1 trapezium each. So 2 times 1.4792 plus 1.0079 plus 1 times 2.1333 plus 0.6667, and now I bash all of that into a calculator. 2.694333. So 2.69 is enough for 2 decimal places that they ask for in the question. Now the next bit, substitution, just draw a line under that. Substitution question, we've got the integral of 4e to the x over that. Now what I'll do first is I'll just do the usual sort of thing that you need to do here to find what dx is. So du by dx equals minus 3e to the minus x. So that tells us that du divided by minus 3e to the minus x equals dx. And now I can start to substitute things in. So we get 4e to the minus x. Notice I've not substituted that because it's not blindingly obvious what that is without doing a bit of rearranging, so I'll leave it there for now. These questions usually are designed quite nicely to cancel. The square root bit is just u to the power of half now, and dx becomes du over minus 3e to the minus x. And here's the beauty of not rearranging this thing to try to in terms of u, because it just cancels with this bit here. This often happens in these questions, so what I'm going to do then is to cancel this with this, and we end up with integrating minus 4 ninths. The integral of u to the minus a half is what you get there, and integrating u to the minus a half, we're trying to find the exact area, so the exact area goes from minus 3 log 2, that's an x value, so minus 3 log 2 is an x value. I'll sort of worry about that later, I suppose. So x equals minus 3 log 2 to x equals 0, just so I remind myself that those are x values. Now this becomes, I'll change colour so it's a bit more clear what I'm doing here, this becomes 8 ninths, well, minus 8 ninths u to the half, and u, remember, was that thing there, so it's minus 8 ninths times the square root of 1 plus 3e to the minus x. And now we need to substitute in the values for x, which are minus 3 log 2 and 0. Putting in minus 3 log 2 we get root 25, and putting in so we get root 4, so we're going to end up with that being in total 8 over 3. That becomes just chucking this in, these values into this and subtracting in the usual way. So 8/3 is the answer. 2.67 will do if you're going to use decimals, but 8/3 is the the correct answer.